This is a story I hate.
Hey, it's Chachi and Ray. We're gonna do another reaction video for you.
Yes, guys, welcome back to our channel, guys. I think Ray got so excited because for today's video, guys, we'll be doing another reaction video to Aina Abdul. Yes, guys, and thank you so much to all Aina Abdul's fans out there for welcoming us. Anyway, this is going to be another blind reaction video. This is one of the requested video from one of the comments from our previous reaction to Aina. So anyway, without further ado, let's go ahead and watch Aina Abdul singing Reckless. Oh, before anything else, I would like to promote before I will forget, guys, our Chachi's merchandise is available in store in this channel. This is another design of our one of our logos. So anyway, just check it out, and also please also support our other pages. And if you would like to support this channel, we have a PayPal underneath the description below. Anyway, let's go.
Get you some of this fresh Chachi gear.
Yes.
Aina
Abdul singing Reckless. I like the shoes, by the way.
Hey, this is a story I hate, and telling it might make me break, but I tell it anyway. This chapter's about how you said there was nobody else. Then you got up and went to her house. You guys always left me out. I still have the letter you wrote when you told me that I was the only girl you ever want in your life. I guess my friends were right.
Hold on a second, guys. Let me stop for a second. That soft, clear voice. This is amazing. I like it so far.
That's just why I was thinking the word subtle. It's just like I don't know. It just cuts to silence.
Yes.
You know.
I guess my friends were right. Each day goes by and each night I cry. Somebody saw you with her last night. You gave me your word, don't worry about her. You might love her now, but you loved me first. Say you never hurt me, but here we are. Oh, you swore on every star. How could you be so reckless with my heart? You're checking in out of my heart like a hotel, and she must be perfect. Oh well, I hope you both go to hell.
Or if that's her.
I still have the letter you wrote when you told me that I was the only girl you ever want in your life. I guess my friends were right. Each day goes by and each night I cry. Somebody saw you with her last night. You gave me your word, don't worry about her. You might love her now, but you loved me first. Say you never hurt me, but here we are. Oh, you swore on every star. How could you be so reckless with my heart? How could you be so reckless? How could you be so reckless? How could you be so reckless with someone's heart? Hey, This is a story I hate, but I told it to cope with the pain. I'm so sorry if you can relate.
Wow. I love the precision, of her vibrato when she did. It struck me.
That is really a very, it's really a sad song. I would like,
Is.
if you don't mind guys, I would like to play it again, at least half of it, halfway. I really love that voice, that very soft, like I said, soft and clear voice.
To be so reckless with my heart, you're checking in out of my heart like a hotel, and she must be perfect. Oh well, I hope you both go to hell. I still have the letter you wrote when you told me that I was the only girl you ever want in your life. I guess my friends were right. Each day goes by and each night I cry. Somebody saw you with her last night. You gave me your word, don't worry about her. You might love her now, but you loved me first. Say you never had me, but here we are. Oh, you swore on every star. How could you be so reckless with my heart? How could you be so reckless? How could you be so reckless? How could you be so reckless with someone's heart?
Wow.
Hey, this is a story I hate, but I told it to cope with the pain. I'm so sorry if you can relate.
Wow. Nice.
Wow.
Mm-mm.
OMG. Oh my gosh. Oh. I'm kind of feeling like really kind of little emotional. That is really
It's
nice.
an emotional song.
Yes. And yeah, like I said, her voice, everything that she really like interpret the song really well. I think her voice really fit with that song. And also thank you so much guys for all the informations that y'all told us about Aina. I did not know that she is also not just a singer, not just an artist, a great artist, but she's also a composer. So this is really nice, and she is also a multilingual singer as well. So later on in the future we can do more Aina, of course, with any other song, because I know that they said that she also can sing Korean, Tagalog, and any other languages. So I'm excited to do that. Of course, we will be doing more Aina in the future, and that's for real, guys. We love her voice. Yes. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching our reaction video, and I do hope that you like this video. If you do, please hit the like. Also, if we're not connected yet guys, please subscribe to our channel so we can be connected, and of course ring the notification bell so you will get notified whenever we upload a new video. Thank you so much guys, and until our reaction video guys, y'all stay safe out there. Bye bye.
Peace.